Define the sketch geometric set. Select XY plane. Click on position sketch. Reverse this horizontal direction and click on swap. Click on OK. Select centroid rectangle. Create a square. Vertical distance is 50. Horizontal distance is 50. Click on exit workbench. Select the plane. Plane type, select offset from plane. Reference element is select this XY plane. Offset distance is 100 mm. Click on OK. Select this plane 1. Click on position sketch. Reverse this and select the swap. Click on OK. Select the circle. Create a circle. This diameter is 60 mm. Exit workbench. Define the part body. The sketch basic feature. Select multi-section solid. Select a square and circle. In the coupling, select coupling type is a ratio. Click on preview. Click on OK. Define the part body. Select this shell option. Click on top face of this part. Shell thickness is 2 mm. Click on OK.